Okay, my dear student. So today we'll read about my family. Okay, my family, and it's a family tree. Okay, family tree, and here are grandparents. Grandparents means father and mother. Father and mother. Okay, parents. Father, mother. Siblings. Brother, sister. Okay. And cousins. Uncle, auntie. And it's a family tree. It's a family tree. Okay. So please tell me something about your family. Okay. Please, Zinia, come here. Zinia, how many members in your family? 4 members. Okay. Who are they? Father, mother, sister, and myself. Okay. Thank you. What's your father? Your father's name is Ibrahim Gaj. And what does he do? He is a businessman. Okay, please loudly. He is a businessman. And what's your mother? What does your mother do? Housewife. My mother is a housewife. Okay, thank you. Clap. Okay, go to your seat. Shraddha, come here. Okay, how many members are there in your family? How many members? Bolo? 4 members. Okay, who are they? Your father, mother, sister, myself. Okay, what is your father's name? Tell me loudly. Jore bolo. Haraprasad. Okay. What does he do? My father is a doctor. Okay, very good. And what does your mother do? My mother is a housewife. Very good. Thank you. Go there. Sad, come here. Sad, tell me about your family and how many members are there in your family? 3 members. Only 3. So your family is very little family. Okay? Little family. Okay. Who are they? My mother. Myself. And your father? So 4 members. But why 3 members? আপু দূরে থাকে তাই সেটা তো তোমাদের ফ্যামিলির সদস্য না। Okay, there are how many members are there in your family? 4 members. How many members? 4 members. Okay, thank you. What's your father? He is an NGO worker. Engineer. Okay, engineer. And what's your mother? Your mother is housewife. Very good. Okay, thank you. Go to your seat. Thank you. Yasin, come here. No. Yasin, no. Rick. Sorry. Moyur. How many members are there in your family? 4 members. Okay. Who are they? Your father, mother, grandmother, and myself. Okay. And what does your father do? Your father is a businessman. And what does your mother do? Your mother is a housewife. Okay, very good. And what is your grandmother? NGO, okay. Your grandmother is NGO, okay. She's so talented. I will love you very much. কে তোমাকে বেশি ভালোবাসে? Oh, your father. Okay, thank you. Very much. Mursalin, please come here. Mursalin is a very smart boy. Okay. Mursalin, how many members are there in your family?
4 members.
4 members. Who are they?
My mother,
Mother,
my sister,
my sister, my brother,
myself.
and myself. Okay. What does your mother do?
Housewife.
Housewife. Okay. And what's your father? Government service holder. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Go to seat. Okay. Stop. Okay, Shwan. How many members are there in your family?
5 members.
5 members. Who are they?
My father, mother, sister, me, and grandmother.
And grandmother. Okay. What does your father do?
My father is a doctor.
Doctor. And what's your mother?
My mother is a housewife.
Housewife. Okay, thank you. Go to your seat. Thank you very much.